Hi, my name's Hedy. This is Muppet Bundle Cundle, coming to you from San Francisco from the offices of mytab.co, never.com.co. Today we're going to talk about how to make money off a phrase, something very, very simple. You've got these amazing brands, you've got like the Forrest Gump kind of things like SHIT, happen, that kind of thing. You've got all these different kinds of comments that are coming out that are like t-shirts and slogans and stuff happens, etc. And when you're looking at these, somebody has created these, like there's all different slogans and straplines for so many different branding companies. So I'm going to show you a few different ways how you can actually start monetizing these. Because once you get going with these, this turns into a major brand like Keep Calm and Carry On, that kind of stuff. I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can make money from this. Come with me. Okay, I'm doing this as a very simple Word document. How to make money from a phrase. Add the phrase on clothing, merchandise, anything that is remotely tangible. Make it quirky, make it really relevant to what's going on now. Short, sharp, snappy, bada bing kind of style. Attention grabbing. People will be like, oh, that's really amusing. If you can do it on clothing, basically wear it all the time, day and night. Trademark it with the USPTO, Patent and Trademark Office. It's going to cost you a few $100s. It's very important that you do this though, if this is a big deal to you. Promote the merchandise like social media, Facebook, Twitter, eBay. Start generating interest, noise and sales. Go onto fab.com and sell it. They love stuff like that on fab.com. Blog about it. Ensure the phrase is in the URL of the blog, like keepcalmandcarryon.co, etc. And also embed AdWords. Check for traffic links as well. You'll get paid through Google monthly if you're using something like blogger.com, because obviously people are going to click on that when they go to your blog. They're going to see the advertising from like either Linkshare or Google AdWords, and then you can make money from that alongside selling your own merchandise on your blog. Flip the domain, go onto something like GoDaddy. They're going to get a percentage, they're going to broker it, and so do you. You might as well flip it. Pitch it to a local business, something like random, like a friend of mine, Roya, came up with years ago, wake up and smell the Starbucks. Something like that, you can sell that over to Starbucks if they want to take it. It is hard work, but the rewards can get you literally a house out of it. You can make a lot of moolah. So when you're looking at like the USPTO, Patent and Trademark Association, go in there and file your application. Once you've filed it, it's going to take them like maybe 9 months to a year and a half before they get, oh, I've got a massive itch in my nose. They might get back to you and then like 9 months or a year and a half later. But the second that you file it, if anybody else does a search and they see your name, they can't file it. So it's not full protection, but it's a bit of a speed bump that you can take maybe a year and a half or so before you either get denied or approved, but at least you're protected in the meantime. Protection is important. Those are different tips that I've given you. Promote it on merchandise, clothing, wear your clothing all the time. Promote it on like fab.com if you've got something quirky, on your Facebook account, your Twitter account, eBay, Amazon, etc. Do it in any way that you can, even on the side of your car. Do something, but get it out there. My name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of mytab.co, never.com, only.co, travel gift card, coming to you from San Francisco with a hot dog, Muppet Bundle Cundle. Have a brilliant one.